Pizza night! Making pizza at home is fun. You can choose your favorite toppings. It's yummy for everyone. Let's make pizza. Getting ready ingredients and tools. We need some things to make pizza. Let's start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. For the dough, we need flour. Flour is the base of our dough, providing the structure and texture. Make sure to use high-quality flour for the best results. Sifting the flour helps to aerate it, making the dough lighter and fluffier. We also need water, yeast, salt, and a little sugar. Water is essential for hydrating the flour and activating the yeast. Yeast is the magic ingredient that makes the dough rise, giving it that wonderful, airy texture. Salt enhances the flavor, while a little sugar helps to feed the yeast and speed up the fermentation process. For the topping, we need tomato sauce and cheese. Tomato sauce forms the base layer of our pizza, adding a rich, tangy flavor. You can use store-bought sauce or make your own for a more personalized touch. Cheese is a must-have for any pizza, providing that gooey, melty goodness that we all love. Mozzarella is the classic choice, but feel free to experiment with other types of cheese like cheddar, Parmesan, or even a blend. And anything you like on pizza, this is where you can get creative. Whether you prefer classic toppings like pepperoni and mushrooms, or more adventurous options like pineapple and jalapenos, the choice is yours. Don't forget to add some fresh vegetables for a burst of color and nutrition. Bell peppers, onions, olives, and spinach are all great options. Remember, the key to a great pizza is balance, so try to mix and match your toppings to create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Now let's talk about the tools you'll need. A good rolling pin is essential for rolling out the dough to the perfect thickness. Mixing bowls are necessary for combining your ingredients and letting the dough rise. A pizza stone or a baking sheet will help to achieve that crispy crust. If you have a pizza peel, it will make transferring the pizza to and from the oven much easier. Don't forget a sharp knife or a pizza cutter for slicing your finished masterpiece. Before we start, make sure your kitchen is clean and your hands are washed. A clean workspace is crucial for food safety and will make the cooking process more enjoyable. Now that we have everything we need, we're ready to start making our delicious homemade pizza. Let's get cooking. Making the dough our foundation. First, we mix the yeast and sugar with warm water. Then we add flour and salt. Mix it all up until it forms a ball. This is our pizza dough. Yeast, the tiny helper. Yeast is our little helper. It makes the dough rise and become fluffy. Make sure the water is warm, not hot, for the yeast to do its magic. Section 5. Kneading, like a gentle massage. Now we knead the dough. We push it and fold it with our hands. This makes the dough smooth and stretchy. Section 6. Toppings time. Choose your favorites. While the dough rests, we prepare the toppings. We can use tomato sauce, cheese, vegetables, meats, or whatever we like. Section 7. Pizza assembly. Building our masterpiece. Now we roll out the dough. We spread the tomato sauce on the dough. Then we add the cheese and all our favorite toppings. Section 8. Baking time. Into the oven it goes. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. After all the preparation, it's finally time to bake our delicious creation. The oven is preheated and the pizza is ready to go in. Carefully we open the oven door, feeling the rush of heat that escapes. The aroma of the preheated oven fills the kitchen, promising a delightful meal ahead. We gently place the pizza onto the rack, making sure it's centered for even baking. The door closes, and now the magic begins. Finally, we bake the pizza in a hot oven. The heat is intense, and you can see the flames dancing around the edges of the pizza. This high temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. As the pizza bakes, the dough starts to rise, and the toppings begin to meld together. The cheese starts to melt, creating a gooey, delicious layer over the toppings. The edges of the crust start to turn a beautiful golden brown, and the smell becomes even more irresistible. It's a sensory experience that makes the wait worthwhile. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. We set the timer and wait patiently. This is the perfect time to clean up the kitchen or prepare any sides you might want to serve with your pizza. As the timer counts down, you can occasionally peek through the oven window to check on the progress. The anticipation builds with each passing minute. You can see the cheese bubbling and the crust turning more golden. The timer is a helpful tool to ensure that the pizza is baked to perfection without burning. It's important to keep an eye on it though, as oven temperatures can vary. We know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. This is the moment of truth. The pizza has transformed from a simple dough with toppings into a mouth-watering masterpiece. The crust is perfectly crisp, and the cheese has melted into a bubbly golden layer. The toppings are cooked to perfection, and the aroma is simply irresistible. Carefully, we open the oven door and take out the pizza, letting it cool for a moment before slicing. The wait is over, and it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Each bite is a testament to the effort and love put into making this pizza. Enjoy! Section 9. Enjoy. Welcome to this delightful journey of making and enjoying homemade pizza. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating your own pizza from scratch. And today, we're going to take you through every step of the process. From kneading the dough to adding your favorite toppings, and finally, savoring each delicious bite with your loved ones. So let's get started and make some unforgettable memories in the kitchen. Share with friends and family. One of the best parts about making pizza at home is the joy of sharing it with friends and family. Imagine the laughter and conversations that flow as everyone gathers around the table, eagerly waiting for the pizza to come out of the oven. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience, the togetherness, and the love that goes into every slice. Whether it's a casual weeknight dinner or a special celebration, homemade pizza brings people closer and creates lasting memories. Our homemade pizza is ready. The moment we've all been waiting for is here. The aroma of freshly baked pizza fills the air, and it's time to take it out of the oven. Look at that golden crust, the bubbling cheese, and the perfectly cooked toppings. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of seeing your homemade creation come to life. Presenting the pizza to your family and friends is a proud moment, and their excited reactions make all the effort worthwhile. Cut it into slices and enjoy it with friends and family. Now comes the fun part, cutting the pizza into slices and serving it to everyone. Each slice is a piece of happiness, and as you share it with your loved ones, you can see the joy on their faces. The first bite is always magical, with the perfect balance of flavors and textures. It's a moment to savor and enjoy, surrounded by the people who matter most. You can try different toppings every time you make pizza. One of the best things about making pizza at home is the endless possibilities for toppings. You can get creative and try something new each time. From classic pepperoni and cheese to gourmet combinations like prosciutto and arugula, the options are limitless. Experiment with different flavors and ingredients to find your perfect pizza. It's a fun way to keep things exciting and discover new favorites. Have fun in the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and making pizza together is a wonderful way to bond with your family and friends. Get everyone involved in the process, from rolling out the dough to adding the toppings. It's a team effort that brings everyone closer. Laugh, chat, and enjoy each other's company as you create something delicious together. These moments of togetherness and fun are what make homemade pizza truly special. So, roll up your sleeves, get creative, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen.